Hello and welcome to Engineer Hash. In this video, we are going to talk about 19 awesome facts about Statue of Unity and also why is it called Statue of Unity, where is it located, and along with that, we are going to take a look at the construction process of Statue of Unity. So please hit a like button, please share this video with your friends, and please subscribe my channel Engineer Hash for more videos. So, coming to the question, why is it called as Statue of Unity instead of Sardar Patel statue?
When India was colonized by the British. During that time, a successful barrister influenced by the great Mahatma Gandhi renounced his position and swore by Khadi. He fought for the freedom of the country and accomplished the dream of a united India. He commanded the forces of Satyagraha. He was the Iron Man, Sardhar VallaBhai Patel. India would have never been united without his astute understanding of the country's political situation then. Sardar dedicated his life to his motherland. Sardar accomplished the dream of a united India. Sardar laid the foundation of good governance in our motherland. And the Statue of Unity will be a testimony to this.
And next, where is it located? In India, in the state of Gujarat, we have the river, the west flowing river Narmada. This is Narmada, where you have the Sardar Sarovar Dam. This dam is Sardar Sarovar Dam, which is the brainchild of Sardar VallaBhai Patel, which is surrounded by Vindhyachal mountains. And this is the downstream side of the Sardar Sarovar Dam, and there is a small river island called as Sadhu Bait. See, this is Sadhu Bait. So this place is considered for constructing Statue of Unity. It is the tallest statue in the world. Yes, in the whole world, it is the tallest statue with 182 meters high. And it is visible from 7 kilometers radius, and it is 237.5 meters above the sea level.
Construction of the world's largest statue, which will be taller than the Brazil's Christ the Redeemer, Russia's The Motherland Calls, USA's Statue of Liberty, Japan's Ushiku Daibutsu, and China's Spring Temple Buddha.
The Statue of Unity of Sardar VallaBhai Patel is 5 times the height of the Christ the Redeemer in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, and it is almost 2 times the height of famous Statue of Liberty, and it is 1.5 times of Sardar Sarovar Dam itself, and it is almost at the height of 60-story building. Initially, the government of India estimated the cost of project around 3,101 crore, but L&T, with its lowest bid, it completed the project with 2989 crores itself. The Statue of Unity is designed by great Ram V. Sutar, who is a Padma Shri awardee in 1999 and Padma Bhushan awardee in 2016. And he has designed all these sculptures. These are very famous. So as the construction begins, it needed a workforce of 250 engineers, 3,700 artisans, and out of them 200 are trainees who has working experience with tall statues. The Statue of Unity is supervised by 3 major construction companies in the world, one of which, the Turner Construction, is a manager of Burj Khalifa itself. And these are the remaining 2. To construct the world's tallest statue, it took 16 months of planning and 42 months of construction. To make the world's tallest statue, 75,000 meter cube of concrete, 18,500 metric ton of reinforcement steel, 5,700 ton of structural steel is required. The part of Sardar VallaBhai Patel statue is completely bronze. So 22,500 tons of bronze sheets are utilized. This megastructure can withstand a wind speed up to 60 meter per second, and it can also withstand vibrations and earthquakes.
An iron campaign also kick-started for building the statue of Iron Man, who was the son of a farmer. Across the nation, farmers associated with the campaign, and in a matter of 3 months, over 5 lakh farmers donated iron tools of more than 5,000 metric tons. Thousands of teams had collected soil from the fields of farmers across the country. The Statue of Unity monument will have Memorial Vista Center and will also have a complex of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. The basement of this statue will have a big museum. There will also be an observation desk with a capacity of over 200 people at the height of 153 meters from the river level. There will be a high-quality escalator and 2 high-speed lifts to reach there, which will take 50 people at once at a speed of 4 meters per second. The total distance of 153 meters will be covered in 40 seconds. With the creation of Statue of Unity, it is expected to witness over 15,000 tourists every day.
Let us take a look at the Sadhu Bait. This is the construction work. They made a bridge. They made clear platform for the Statue of Unity. Foundation work. Cranes are working. This is the visitor center, and this is the museum, and this is the foundation part. This structure mainly composes of 2 hollow cylinders. Unlike other statues, it is a functional statue. You can actually go inside and have a look at museums, galleries, etc. So this is the structural steel. To this, the bronze is actually attached. See, this is structural steel and the bronze is attached. And this finishes the Statue of Unity. So thank you for watching this video. Please hit a like button. Please subscribe my channel Engineer Hash and share this video with your friends. You can also comment. Thank you.